What a fine day it is, isn't it everybody? Do watch a tutorial video And in today's video, I will be showing you guys how you guys can log in into your Citibank's online banking account. And with that said, if you guys are new to our channel app tutorial, then don't forget to hit the like and subscribe to our YouTube channel with notification on so you guys can get notified for our future video. Now let's jump into the video without any further ado now, shall we? First step, you want to search for Citibank login and click on versus citi.com online banking mortgage personal loan investing. It's gonna bring you to this website. Over here, enter your user ID first and then enter the password of your account over here and then click on versus sign on and you should be able to log in into your Citibank's online banking account. And with that said, hope you guys were able to understand. Now if you guys did, then don't forget to hit that like and subscribe to our YouTube channel with notification on so you guys can get notified for our future video. And I will be seeing you guys on my next video. Until next time, bye bye, have a nice day.